construction tasks in tight spaces, narrow courtyards, cramped construction sites, or even indoor work. Seems impossible. A mini excavator gets the job done where larger machinery fails. Its compact size allows it to access even the most hard-to-reach places. Indoor work. A mini excavator is ready to assist. Its convenient size and high precision make it indispensable for any project. A mini excavator saves you time, effort, and money. Small in size, big in possibilities. Choose a mini excavator for your tasks. Message us directly and get a consultation today.